Right, this is the P3 Jan 2023, question 3. So this is the Edexcel syllabus. Working on question 3 here. Question 3 gives us this little sketch of log 10y. And it says that the line L over here is it has a linear relationship between log 10y and x. The line passes through the points 0.15 and minus 480. Those are given on the sketch. So write down an equation for L is number A. Okay. So for those of you who just want to see the answers, this is, scroll carefully through that for you. So here's the answers for answer A and B. I think that's, just to check, I think that's everything that I have for this question. Yeah, nothing else. Okay, but if you want a little bit more, for the question A and B, I use the intercept gradient method. So the intercept gradient method starts at the intercept. So you start at the y-intercept. So you start here. And the y-intercept is 0 and 1.5. So the y part of the y-intercept is going to be our c value. So if you have y equals mx c, the c value is going to be 1.5. So that's the intercept. So we already have y equals mx plus 1.5. And then all we need is the gradient formula to get the gradient. So in order to get m, we use the gradient formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, where this is 1 point and this is another point. So just taking it order matters, whichever side you start on, you need to start on again. So if you start on the second point, you have to use that same point again. Okay, so for the gradient formula, obviously, we just fill in everything. So if we're starting on the right-hand side, it would be 1.5 minus 0, and then we'd have 0 as the x minus 4.8. And this is just the gradient formula. So if I look at my previous working, I end up with 5 over 16. Okay. So our final normally we would have y equals 5 over 16 x plus 1.5, but take note that our line is log 10y. So because it's log 10y, we need log 10y equals to this whole thing. Okay. So log 10y equals to this whole thing. Last little step is to rearrange using log rules. So if we have a log b equals to c, then log a c equals b. So we use this log law to rearrange. Let's get it down here. 5 over 16 x plus 1 over 1.5, sorry. So this whole thing is in a bracket currently, and we just want to rearrange our a, b, and c. So we're reversing this, we're going this way. Our a is 10, so the base 10, and then everything is up here. Everything is, our b is everything inside that bracket. So just keep it in, I keep it in a bracket when I teach. You don't have to write that, it's just for teaching purposes, it makes it more clear. Okay, so here we can split the bases because we use this oopsie, that's incorrect. this is equal to multiplication. Okay, so we're using this law to split the bases here. So we end up with a base of 10, 5 over 16x times by 10, 1.5 equal to y. And with a quick little bit of calculator, I took this, and with a little bit of calculator work, you end up with the correct answer. Okay. So the correct answer I've written down over there. So that's the first part of this question. Now we look at number B. Hence or otherwise express y in this form. Okay. So we want something that looks like this. We want something that, oh, I feel like I already did that. So, oh, never mind. So I covered A and B in the first question. So we're done. Okay.